Heyo traders, yeah, welcome to the trade of the day, and today was a pretty exciting one. We had Coinbase written on our sticky note, but we were sort of looking for the long. But what happened to Coinbase? It actually popped like crazy. We talked about it yesterday that we would probably get a push on Bitcoin. So I have Bitcoin up here. The minute we broke through 40,000, I thought we'd get a push to this 44, 45. That's exactly what happened. And then in the AM, we talked about it pulling back down. So I immediately switched over my thinking. As you can see, this is 8 AM, right? Makes the high of 44.5 or so, then makes a move to the downside, which actually starts at about 9:30, right, when the equity market opens up. But look what Coinbase does. Instead, Coinbase, obviously, with Bitcoin being up that 10% or so since the last time Coinbase traded, you see a nice little move to the upside. And what we were doing was just sort of lying in the weeds. We were waiting for a great opportunity. This is kind of like the trades that we made sort of on T-Doc yesterday and again here today on Coinbase, where we wait for some consolidation because really we don't know if this is going to continue, but we do see that Bitcoin has come to the downside. So we're sort of playing Coinbase off of Bitcoin weakness, right? So we definitely knew we wanted to go short. We took this because we have a 206 top. So our short is a 205. So we're short here at 205, giving ourselves about $1 worth of risk. So what winds up happening, and it's going to look crazy because of the move to the downside, but we take our first piece out just sitting in front of 204. So we actually make about 50 to 70 cents or so on the first 20%. Each one of these ticks is going to be 20% out, right? So we take the first bit. Does that make sense? 20, 40, yeah, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so the first 20% out there. Then it dips down and we get 203.50. So we make about $1.50. Then, as we're noticing here, Bitcoin coming to the downside and again, starting to level off, but it doesn't really start to do anything till about 10 a.m. As you can see, this is 10 a.m. here. We take it out as it comes crashing below the 50 period of that time. And we're like, okay, that's a 200 print right now. So we'll take that $5. We'll wait in front of 200. Just like we go long on breaks through, we'll wait to see maybe 200's being supported. And it actually was. It bounced around a bit here before, see ya, it tanks pretty hard to the downside. We have about a $9 winner at this point. I think it was like $7.80 or so on the live show. And we're like, okay, I have no idea what to do. Is it going to keep on crashing? What's going to happen here with Bitcoin? And Bitcoin actually does continue to make a move down. This is 12 o'clock. Look at Bitcoin at 12 o'clock. Makes a bottom. So does Coinbase. The problem is I use the 50 period to get out. And unfortunately, it comes up, retest the 50 period right there at 199, and we take it out. But it's Coinbase. It's a nice winner. And unfortunately, we take it out there. Maybe next time, and I'm working on that last piece. Normally, you'll see me like out, like a robot. This time, we took 20% each time. It was a good trade for Coinbase, but we got to work on holding that. But again, you know, if the 50 period breaks and we go back up to the upside, then it's going to look silly that I didn't get out. So trying to stay disciplined here. It's Coinbase. For me, it's my most profitable stock today, and it is your trade of the day.